I'm the managing director of Fundir, a joint interprofessional fund for the continuing training of managers. Ever since 2008, we have faced the growing challenge of digitalizing our paper-based archive. This is why we began to accept documents signed digitally. At any rate, our paper archive was very full and our biggest problem was archiving these documents digitally. That's why we decided to introduce the ELO software, which has proven to be extremely reliable. It enables us to collect and access data from all the projects that we've financed to date. Plus, ELO helps us provide data required for tax audits. For us, digitalization is a huge step towards the future that allows us to offer ultra-modern public administration that is dynamic and guided by the wishes of the companies.
Una pubblica amministrazione molto moderni, dinamici e attenti alle esigenze delle aziende.
Thanks to ELO, we've become more efficient and can meet company needs even faster. Fundir is a good example of the successful collaboration between Fujitsu and ELO. Together, we realized a very valuable project. With our document scanners, we've completely digitalized Fundir's paper archive and its contents can now be used digitally in ELO without any problems. In this way, Fundir can now manage all information digitally that until now was only available on paper, making it more difficult to utilize. My name is Giovanni Guelfi and I'm responsible for digitalizing all documents at Fundir. With ELO, we've managed to optimize the space at our location in Rome, leaving us more room in the office and freeing up resources, helping us to manage all this information faster in digital form. Everything's changed since we started using ELO at our company. Thanks to ELO, I can scan my documents and share them with my colleagues quickly and easily. I can enter metadata, which helps speed up searches significantly. It's really practical.